my channel. My name's Naya. But anywho, on to the most important part of this whole entire video, where you're gonna watch me install a human hair wig from CurlyMe hair. I've purchased about eight wigs from CurlyMe hair. All me spending my money, my coins, every time. Oh, if you guys want to see how I installed this 13x4 180 density Mongolian straight hair, then continue watching. CurlyMe, if y'all want to sponsor me, I'm just saying, because this is not the first video that I have on my channel using y'all hair. It's not, and it will not be the last either. I think this is 24 or 22. It's probably 22 inches actually up on the screen. So you guys continue watching. Okay, so here we have the hair. I did indeed get a 22 inch. Here we're just using, this is a contour palette, but I don't use it for that. I strictly use it for my wigs and for my eyebrows, crazy enough. But anyway, right now I'm just trying to get the edges back because I did already put this hair on my head before. So I'm just trying to push the edges back that I already created. I don't know what the method is called either, where you just put the wig cap on but don't actually cut it. I haven't been like actually cutting the wig caps recently because I don't know, I just feel like it takes so much time. But here you see me using my spray. I've been so in love with this spray. Midway filming this, I actually ran out, so then I had to change it to the what is it called, the got to be glue, the blue jar. And then when I reinstall my wigs, I find for me the easiest way to do it is doing one side first and then doing the other side, because for me the biggest challenge is the freaking ear tabs. Like, I hate doing that part so much, and trying to size it with my big head on both sides at the same time is pretty hard. But yeah, I do it to the other side, and I put about 3 layers of glue, and I dry it with the blow dryer and make it like a kind of a tacky feeling and not super hard. I don't let it dry fully, and this glue dries quick. Okay, the moment that you put it on your head, it's not going anywhere. Also forgot to mention that I did already bleach the knots and I plucked the hair. The hair does come pre-plucked a bit, but I like to pluck it a little bit more. Here you see me putting the got to be glue. The got to be glue. I meant to say the black jar, not the blue. I'm not recording that voiceover again, I'm sorry. But yeah, sometimes after I do finish putting the glue on the other side of my head, I do have to readjust the front of it. So here you just see me using the got to be blue, the black one. See, here I go again. And now I'm putting the band over my head, and yeah, just keep on watching, you guys. Okay, now on to the fun part. You guys, this is always my favorite part. Please kind of ignore the part. As you can see, I did a little bit over bleach the knots. But anyway, so now I'm just brushing it out. I decided to do a middle part and just do straight hair, not anything fun fancy. Here is my turn up the heat hair protectant spray for when I flat iron my hair. And I just brushed that through, yada yada yada. And now we're separating my hair. We're putting my hair in a section so that I can start the flat iron process. Now I'm about to show you my hairspray. I found this hack on TikTok actually, and this girl showed herself spraying hairspray on a paddle brush that I showed a little bit early in the video, and I'm gonna switch to it when I get to the front of my hair. No particular reason, I just do. The comb was kind of becoming too much. Anyway, I sprayed this I sprayed the hairspray on the comb and I brush it through my hair, and then I get the flat iron and I follow it through. That's why you're gonna see my hair kind of like stick together a little bit. Sometimes I do overspray. That's my bad. But if I flat iron it a couple more times over, or maybe just one more time, the crunch part of it will come out of it. But that's only if I spray too much, which I'm not gonna lie, I kind of do. But anyway, here I am at the front of my head, and I'm just doing the same. Like I said, I switched to the powder brush. It was kind of easier and it's more wide, and I do have a wider flat iron, so it kind of just became beneficial. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, I'm sorry you guys, this will be my last, maybe hopefully my last one. I just wanted to say that I know you guys see the TV on. Whenever I do my hair, I don't like to do my hair in silence. I really don't. And I've been into like crime watching, and I tend to gravitate to her videos, so that's what you see here. If you can ignore it, then ignore it. If you can't, then I'm sorry. I just wanted to pop that in, and I'm gonna continue ironing my hair. Also, you see that it looks a little greasy and crunchy. The hairspray does do that, but if I pass it through a couple times, it'll go away. And that just, the hairspray is to get my hair nice and silky. The TikTok that I saw, it was saying like the girls that get it, and the girls that don't. Apparently I didn't, because you know, I've never heard of that hack before, but it actually works. It works so good. I would recommend you guys doing this. Don't spray too much like me, but definitely use it. And then here you see me using my wax stick. If you guys don't have a wax stick, what are you doing? Okay, wax sticks are amazing. Look at that, flat. And I'm gonna go on with my hot comb just to really keep it nice and down and flat, and then I'll do my edges. But I won't talk for my edges because that's pretty self-explanatory. You guys can just watch me do that. Okay, bye. Pause, and I'm gonna come back to real life. Now, I could leave my hair like this, no edges or whatever. I'm not gonna do that though. So I'm gonna get my, sorry y'all, I'm gonna use the mousse like I always do for my edges, and my edge brush. Please don't look at it, it looks disgusting. I know. It looks so good. But anyway, back to the whatchamacallit, the voiceover.